When it comes to enjoying a homemade pizza, having the right equipment can make all the difference. Enter the Courant Pizza Maker, a versatile, user-friendly appliance that promises to deliver delicious, crispy pizzas in under 15 minutes. But this 12-inch pizza machine is not just about pizzas. It's a multifunctional kitchen marvel that can handle a variety of foods from quesadillas to giant cookies. Let's dive into a detailed review of this compact, electric countertop oven and explore why it might just become your favorite kitchen companion. The Courant Pizza Maker sports a sleek, compact design that is as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing. With dimensions of 13 by 1563 by 395 inches and a weight of just 5 pounds, this appliance is easy to store and transport. Its teal color adds a fun, vibrant touch to your kitchen decor. The newly improved cool touch handle ensures safe operation, preventing any accidental burns while handling the device. The non-stick plates on both the top and bottom provide even cooking, ensuring that your pizza crust is always crispy and perfectly cooked. This non-stick coating also makes cleaning a breeze, no more scrubbing off stuck cheese or sauce. The power cord length of 28 inches gives you ample flexibility to place it wherever it's most convenient in your kitchen. The Courant Pizza Maker is powered by 440 watts, which allows it to heat up quickly and efficiently. The dual heating plates ensure that your pizza cooks evenly from both the top and bottom, eliminating the need to flip or rotate your food. The unit heats up fast, which means you can go from craving to eating in less than 15 minutes. This appliance is not limited to just making pizzas. Its large 12-inch cooking surface can accommodate a variety of foods. You can bake chicken cutlets, meat, snacks, quesadillas, nachos, mini frittatas, quiche, croissants, giant cookies, and more. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to maximize their cooking options without needing multiple appliances. One of the standout features of the Courant Pizza Maker is its ease of use. The power on and ready to cook indicator lights take the guesswork out of cooking. You'll know exactly when the unit is heated and ready to start baking your favorite dishes. The compact size allows it to fit almost anywhere in your kitchen, and it stands upright for easy storage when not in use. The cool touch handle is a significant safety feature, especially if you have kids who might be curious about the new kitchen gadget. Additionally, the unit is ETL certified, which means it meets North American safety standards, giving you peace of mind while using it. Using the Courant Pizza Maker is a delight. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to use. The rapid heating ensures minimal wait time, and the non-stick plates mean you can be as creative and messy as you like without worrying about the cleanup. Making a pizza with this appliance is as simple as preheating the unit, placing your pizza dough and toppings on the non-stick surface, and closing the lid. In about 15 minutes, you'll have a hot, crispy pizza ready to enjoy. The evenly distributed heat ensures that every bite is perfectly cooked, with a delightful crust that rivals your favorite pizzeria. But the fun doesn't stop at pizza. The versatility of this machine allows you to experiment with different recipes. From making a hearty breakfast with omelets and mini frittatas to preparing sweet treats like giant cookies and cinnamon buns, the possibilities are endless. Its ability to reheat leftovers to perfection also means you can enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the need for a microwave or oven. Maintaining the Courant Pizza Maker is hassle-free. The non-stick plates can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, and there's no need for harsh scrubbing or soaking. This ease of maintenance ensures that the appliance stays in good condition for years to come, providing you with reliable performance every time. The durable build quality, combined with the safety features and user-friendly design, makes this a robust appliance that can withstand regular use. Whether you're cooking for one or hosting a small gathering, the Courant Pizza Maker is up to the task. Conclusion: the Courant Pizza Maker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for those who value convenience, versatility, and ease of use. Its ability to cook a wide range of foods, combined with its compact size and efficient performance, makes it a must-have appliance for pizza lovers and home cooks alike. Whether you're preparing a quick meal for yourself or entertaining guests, the Courant Pizza Maker delivers delicious results every time. With its affordable price and user-friendly features, it's an investment that will pay off in countless tasty meals. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.